Yeah, so by the end of this video, I'll give you 5 reasons why you should get this lamp for 300 Ghana cedis. So this is the oraimo SmartLamp Tube, an RGB light that can serve as an ambient or cozy vibe for your home office, your kitchen, your setup, or any space that you want to light up to have that unique RGB or maybe have that colorful effect. So my name is Kwame Fortune and I post tech tutorials, unboxing, lifestyle, travel, and a whole lot on this channel. So if you're a fan of that, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it to a friend as well. So the first thing you see in the box is the user manual. Of course, you need to read that to be able to use the features of the lamp and be able to get the full experience when using this lamp. You also get a white long Type-C cable for charging the lamp. Of course, you have been seeing the black short Type-C for almost 90% of our products, so I'm happy this one came with a longer one. And of course, you get to see 4 metallic plates. Those are the plates that you use to clip the lamp onto any metallic surface that fits to your style, or maybe at the back of your TV, your kitchen, anywhere that you want to use this light, because it's lightweight and it's portable. You can place it anywhere to give you that cozy vibe. And of course, you get to see the lamp itself. So let's test this light and see what it can do or how bright or dim it can get in situations here. So the lamp has a touchpad which enables you to on the light and change the light modes and the temperature to your style or the color that fits the vibe or the mood you are in. And you can also take it a step further by using the remote control, which enables you to on the light and switch between the modes of the light. So it has buttons that allow you to change the color and buttons that allow you to change the temperature and even change the style of the light, whether it should blink, that kind of vibe. It has like full control over the light to fit your style. Let's say you are playing the music and you want some kind of light effect to fit the style, you just use the remote to control it and have that kind of feel for your light, or maybe your setup, workspace, or even kitchen. Whilst you are cooking, you can just have that kind of vibe. And the brightness, I think it's a bit bright when you are in a low situation, but if you have many light around you, you might not see the brightness that much of the light. But I think it works well when you are shooting a video and you have this light as your ambient light or colorful light, or which you have a light that can even light up your subject and have this one as a complementary light. I think it works in situation like that. So I'll give it, let's say, 7 out of 10 for this. So for the installation, we need to first attach our metals onto our walls by just wiping off the red sticker at the back of the metal and stick it onto the wall and adjust it to the size of the lamp or how we want it, and later attach the light gently to fit the shapes of the metal. So make sure you align the metals in the same shape. If you change it to any other style, you might find difficulties in installing this light. So make sure they all align and just place it or clip it onto the metal, because the back of the lamp is magnetic and it fits strongly. And after several tries, this is how it turned out to be. As at the time of recording this video, the smart lamp costs 300 Ghana cedis, and you can get it on the oraimo website by using the link in the description below. You can also get it cheaper if you use my promo code Kwame Fortune. Always make sure you download or scan the QR code you see on your screen to download the oraimo store app, of which give you points just by shopping on the app. And you can also use those points to get free stuff on the oraimo shop or the app. So make sure you download that. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, you can get that on the Play Store or the Apple Store. And let me know your comment about this device, and I'll see you again in the next video.